Hi everyone, this is Hiral from Scrappy Happy Crafts, and today I'm going to share some of my cards created from InLoveArtShop dies and stems. This is my design team project share, and I'll just show you whatever the cards I created and with what dies I created them. Let me start with the first card. So I created this beautiful floral card with yellow background using this nesting die, floral petal nesting die, and I also used this flower dies from InLoveArtShop. This is my previous design team package and this is the new one. I used both and combined and created this beautiful floral card. So, and it's A2 size card. That's the first one. Coming up with my second card. I love this card. It's beautiful. I use so many dies from InLoveArtShop. So first, let me share this pink glitter circular frame, which is half part of this die. This is a doily die, and I took this part off and I only used this last part. So I used this one, as well as I used this frame die, this Love You Always die. I also used this stem set over here, and I also used this corner dies. So I used 4 dies and created this beautiful love card which says Love You Always. I was thinking to add a love sentiment here, but then this simple card looks more beautiful, so I just kept it as it is. So that's that. Coming up with my Christmas card. So over here I used this Christmas trees die. It comes with 2 sets of dies. I also used this frame, the leaf background. This is from my design team, previous design team package. And the season greetings is from my stash. And I created this snow blue, white greeting card. This is a silver glitter cardstock and this is a blue glitter cardstock. Hope you like this one. So that's that. And my last card, again I use this corner dies to create this corners, beautiful corners. I use this doily die. I pasted this part over here. I cut this doily die from a foam and again pasted this pink cardstock on it, and then there is a sentiment, retirement is a new beginning. This is from Polka Doodles Freebies, and I just love it. Hope you all like my cards. These are my 4 cards. Let me show you again. Hope you all like it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.